Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your project dependencies with Renovate Bot detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Renovate Bot official website. Sign up or log in to your account. Once logged in, select the Create a New Configuration option. Choose the repository you want to update dependencies for. Decide on the settings you wish to apply for dependency updates. You can customize the frequency of updates, major or minor versions, and more. Use the presets available or create a custom configuration file. If creating a custom file, write it in JSON or YAML format. Include rules for specific packages if needed. After configuring, save your settings. Next, go to your GitHub repository that contains the project. In your repository, locate the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Webhooks section. Click Add Webhook to set up a connection. In the payload URL, enter the Renovate Bot URL provided in your account. Set the content type to application/JSON. Choose the events you want to trigger the webhook. It's recommended to select just the push event for efficiency. Save the webhook settings. Now, open your repository in your terminal or preferred code editor. Ensure you have a renovate.json or renovate.yml file in the root directory. If it's missing, create a new file with the necessary configuration. Commit the changes and push them to your repository. Renovate Bot will automatically process the repository. Check the pull requests section to see if Renovate created any updates. Review the pull requests to verify the changes made to dependencies. Merge the pull requests if the updates are satisfactory. Finally, test your project to ensure everything is working smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.